This 2023 K-Z Sportsmen 364BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new KZ is 41 feet 2 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a gunmetal interior, Sleep 6, Slideout, Colorado Detector, skylight, refrigerator, smoke detector, leveling jacks, microwave, oven, TV antenna, air conditioning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front living area, mid-bunk, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 K-Z Sportsmen 364BH is 9,400 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.